So let's go through the vivm version of this. So the way this works is you're going to do Python -m vivenv, and now we pass it the path to where we want it to create our new environment. So I'm just going to create this in my home directory as a test. So testenv, and we want to add this system site packages, which allows our virtual environment to inherit any libraries from the base Python installation, in this case, Conda. So there are going to be custom libraries down in the Conda environment for Polaris that are needed, and we want to pull those into our virtual environment and use those as dependencies. So we can do this, and that's going to set up a virtual environment in this directory. So then to activate that, I can source the activation script down in activate, and now you can see, as usual, the environment name has been added to my command line so I can see where I am. So now I see the base Conda installation and the virtual environment that I'm in. If I do a which Python, you can see I'm using the Python that's down in this directory. So if I go into Python, I can import torch, and we can do a torch quick version check, and you can see it's the version that we were expecting that was printed out up here. So that's how we can do that. We can then do deactivate to leave that environment, and we're back in the Conda environment. Okay, so you can see we're bringing in the Python from there. So that's how you would use the virtual environment to build on top of the Conda environment. Inside that virtual environment, you can install your own packages with pip install. You could compile code in that directory and install those libraries there if you needed to. And the key thing is to make sure that when you're running the job on the supercomputer on Polaris, make sure that you are activating those environments in order when you're starting up your job in the submit script, as we've talked about in the past. So you would module load your Conda activate, and then activate the virtual environment that you've constructed.